In the realm of parasitic insects, the Tunga penetrans, or commonly known as the sand flea, stands as a diminutive yet formidable entity. Measuring merely 1 mm in size, this species holds a remarkable life cycle intricately entwined with its transmission dynamics, painting a vivid picture of survival and propagation in its habitat. Both male and female sand fleas feed on blood, yet it is the female that undertakes a remarkable journey within its host. Permanently embedding itself into the host's skin, the female undergoes a significant hypertrophy phase. Over a period of 2 to 3 weeks, it expels hundreds of eggs, contributing to the perpetuation of its species. Following the completion of its reproductive mission, the female parasite meets its demise in situ, eventually sloughed off from the epidermis by the host's tissue repair mechanisms. The life cycle of the sand flea continues its saga as the eggs descend to the ground below. Under favorable conditions, these eggs metamorphose into adult fleas within a relatively short span of 3 to 4 weeks. Equipped with remarkable agility, these sand fleas possess the ability to jump and run with impressive speed, facilitating their journey through their habitat. Transmission of the sand flea occurs through a process intricately tied to human activities. Peri-domestic environments serve as fertile grounds for encounters, yet the reach extends further, infiltrating the sanctity of households. The mere contact of feet or other body parts with contaminated soil or surfaces opens the gateway for transmission, ushering in the potential for infestation. The narrative of the sand flea unveils not only the resilience of a tiny organism but also underscores the intricate dance between parasite and host, intertwined in the perpetual cycle of survival and propagation. From its humble beginnings as microscopic eggs to its tenacious infiltration into human dwellings, the sand flea embodies the essence of adaptation and persistence. Please remember to subscribe to our channel, click the like button, and activate the notification bell if you wish to see more content like this. Thanks for watching.